This is the second algorithm to understand the grading design technique called Kruskal MST algorithm under the same problem of MST. Before this, we discussed on the Prim's algorithm for the MST. So, what is the difference between Kruskal and Prim's? The first is you can see here, sort the edges in non-decreasing order of length. Mean Kruskal, the first as a free processing here, it will sort based on the non-decreasing order, which is increasing order. Grow tree one is at a time to produce MST through a series of expanding porous F1, F2 until Fn on each iteration. At the net edge on the sorted list unless this would create a cycle. So it would skip the edge, mean that we have to avoid the cycle because the aim of this um, MST is try to find a cyclic subgraph. Cyclic subgraph means graph without a cycle. Okay, with the same example graph here, we have A, B, C until the Hij here with weighted and connected and directed, undirected graph with weighted here. So based on the Kruskal here, okay, the first thing is to sort this, the edges. I mean the node and the edges here based on the weighted here, and to sort based on the increasing order, of course, because greedy style is try to for this aim actually to find the minimum total, so minimum spanning tree, the total weight. So in order to find that, we have to make sure that the minimum value for each weight in order to go through from the node to others node. And when we sorted here the list, we can see here, so the net is actually the simulation. We can see that the idea of a Kruskal algorithm. Okay, the first one all the one here, and net is in the sorted is two, two, and others two here. And once a tree is become cycle, don't add the cycle because it's so we can skip here. And next are the 3, 3, 4. Also another cycle happen, so we have to skip 4, 4, and finally this is the result of the Kruskal obtain minimum spanning tree similarly with the Prim's algorithm. So some notes about the Kruskal algorithm. Algorithm look easier than Prim, but is harder to implement. Because why? Because to check the cycle, we need to have a mechanism to check the cycle. Cycle checking a cycle is created if and only if added is connected with this in the same connected component. And as alternatives, maybe you can see as a union find algorithm to solve this